Hey, here we are. Do you want to hold it?
Sure.
Here, you hold it. Watch the gimbal.
Oh shit.
Just hold it like right from there. Just like
Guys, he's letting me hold the camera for a change.
There you go. Try to get us both in the frame. All right. Jamie's holding the camera.
Okay.
Okay.
We're doing this.
So we are driving through the Highlands of Iceland, and
it is so desolate here.
like the last 20-30 miles have basically looked like this. Just all snowy hills. But
there's nothing
there's
around.
Nothing out here. It's like the tundra. It's worse than the tundra. Looks like Antarctica or something.
Like nothing
crazy.
lives out here. They said it was minus 20 Celsius.
Which I think is around like -2 Fahrenheit right now. I was flying my drone earlier and my phone died because it was too cold. We're here in the most remote little village in Iceland. Everything's just covered in a deep layer of snow, as you can see. Alright, so we're saying goodbye to the
Freezing
it's still
out
like
to death right
-4. So we're gonna say goodbye to the most remotest little town in Iceland. It's really just a farm with a few other people. It's like a farm with a cafe. Yeah, and next is the geothermals. See you there. Alright, we're here at the geothermal area. What's it called? I don't even know what it's called.
Me neither.
But
it also stinks to high heaven.
Stinks really bad. Be glad you can't smell this.
So it's like strong rotten egg sulfur smell.
Really, like somebody dropped a bunch of rotten eggs on your head. But right now we are in the what is this called? Valley of the Trolls?
Yeah.
Basically.
Sounds like the Demogorgon.
Dimmuborgir. Dimmuborgir, I think is what they call it. How is that?
That was amazing. So beautiful.